Now my friend's cat is scared of the kendama. Now that he hit it, he's really scared of it. This could be like the new LeBron James right here. Dear God. Are you sure that box is big enough to support him?
Yeah. He likes it. I'm safe in my box.
Seriously, you could start doing volleyball. LeBron James. Oh God. I thought you purposely hit his paw. Oh God.
Missed it on purpose.
Don't you
I'm
dare.
not trying to hit his paw. Are you crazy?
Yeah, I'm cray cray.
He's trying to hit the iPad.
Yeah. Oh, he almost got it.
I'm purposely trying to let him catch it. He's trying to get out.